guys, and this is Minecraft Gamer. I usually play Minecraft, but this time I try to do something new. So now let's just play. I'm not gonna read by who and what it is. I'm just gonna play it. So let it load. Load, you noob. Come on. Yeah, okay, come on. Load. Search. Is it just me or it's lagging? I'll just play normal ones. I'll just do this one. Come on. Come on. Sorry, but there's nothing we could do. So, nothing. Oh, sorry. Lol. Come on, let's go. Oh, laboratory. Can't do this. Wow! Yeah! Wow, toxic. And how? The guy is Superman. He's Superman. The teleporter will teleport me to the future. I want the future. The future is the funnest future of the futureness. Oh, I thought it's gonna teleport me to the future, not the past. I'm Tarzan now. Ugh. That looks so good. Did you eat him? Thank God I finally found it. Oh, I broke my leg. Okay. Superman! Jump fire! Oh no. Oh no. Run away! Yeah, come on. Oh! Oh, that was harsh. So I'll just, now let's see if they're working, browse levels. Yep, they're working. Let's see a good one that are good. Yeah, let's try that one. So, come on. Whoa! Did I? Oh, wow. Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! 3 stars. Whoa! Oh, 3 stars. No, I can't pass that. It's gonna be so hard. Oh, yeah. Come on. Yeah! Call of Duty demo. I win. Oh, that was fun. Call of Duty. Hello, son. Where are you? Hey, my son is here. Since when did you come along? I hate you. Take that. Oh, whoa, no. Yeah. How do you like me now? Go, son. Go. Wow. Go, son. Save me. Take the bullet for me. I'll come back. Whoa. Oh, don't. Don't. He's so fat that I can't even go on him. Come here, hop, and I win. What else? No. Come on, I need one. I win! No. Don't jump up! No, no. Oh. Oh. I need to do this, come on. Backflips! Oh. Well, flip. Oh no! So let me just do this. Come on, no. You don't. He doesn't have his helmet. How can he survive? No! Am I alive? Yes, I'm still alive. Come on, come on. We can do this. We can do this. No, you can't. That was it for today, and I'll see you next time. Adios.